Hello guys, in the previous session we had discussed what is bisection method with its example. Now in today's session we will see what is regular falsy method. Regular falsy method or false position method is used to find root of an equation. This method requires function f of x and two initial guess values or 2 points where a and b, for which f of x is positive for one of the values and f of x is negative for other value. In this method also same condition arises as in bisection method. If f of a into f of b is less than 0, then root of the given equation lies between the points a and b. To find the root of the given equation by using regular falsy method or false position method, the following formula is used, that is c equals to a into f of b minus b into f of a upon f of b minus f of a. For calculating the root of the equation by using regular falsy method, here we also make a table in which the values are put. Here also we have to put values from 0 and we check whether the first value is negative or not. Here the first value negative at f of 2, that is the initial value 2, and the positive value 16 at initial guess value 3. Therefore our final initial guess values are 2 and 3. Therefore our root lies between 2 and 3. For calculating the root by using regular falsy method, our initial guess values are a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. By putting this value in the formula of c, we get the value of c 2.058, and by putting the value of c in the function, that is we calculate f of c, then the value of f of c becomes minus 0.3996, which is negative. Again here the f of c is negative, hence we replace the value of a by the value of c. Then by again using new values of a and b, by putting it into c, we get the value of c is 2.0809. Again by putting this value in f of c, we get the value of f of c is minus 0.1512, which is also negative. By calculating 8 iterations, we get the final value of c at 8 iteration is 2.0944, which is our final root of the given equation. Thank you.